We all know that visuals such as diagrams and flowcharts are the best way to simplify and communicate complex information. But what type of diagrams are best suited for various processes in business? Well, that's what I'm going to answer today. Hey everyone, I'm Kyla from Venngage, and in today's video, we're going to explore the enchanting world of process diagrams. We'll learn the purpose and the use of process diagrams, as well as how to easily create one using Venngage. So let's begin. Process diagrams are graphical representations that illustrate the steps, stages, or activities involved in a particular process, commonly used in business, engineering, software development, and project management. Typically, you can use process diagrams for aligning an organization on new strategic directions, training employees on complex processes, onboarding new employees, planning workflows for new projects, and optimizing existing workflows. Designing a process diagram can be complicated and often takes up a significant amount of time. We understand the frustration that comes with it. At Venngage, we offer a wide range of process diagram templates that serve all purposes. These templates are pre-designed and can be easily customized in just a few minutes. Now let's discuss some use cases of process diagrams through examples. First, process diagrams in human resources. Process diagram is integral to the HR profession. For responsibilities like compliance, hiring, and dismissals, processes must be followed. A mind map like this one can serve as a straightforward method to clarify and communicate company policies and processes across various departments. This infographic on the hiring process can assist HR professionals in outlining pre-interview, during interview, and post-interview processes in a concise summary. This onboarding process checklist template can assist HR in following a set of documented processes to keep trainees on track and speed up the organizational process. In this sales pipeline flowchart, readers are guided through possible outcomes and given instructions based on different results. A flowchart like this can help users quickly access the services they need. Second, process diagrams in healthcare. Healthcare providers rely heavily on processes to keep organizations running smoothly. Process diagramming can help healthcare professionals with patient communication, crafting procedures, guidelines, and schedules for health compliance purposes. Third, process diagrams in management. A significant part of leadership and management involves overseeing and monitoring processes. Utilizing this mind map, managers can strategically plan and effectively communicate an organizational strategy to achieve long-term goals. Flowcharts like this can help managers plan out new processes before implementing them in their organization. Process mapping can assist managers in understanding and preparing for the dependencies of such a change. This workflow diagram provides customer support teams with guidance on assisting customers facing issues in the process, ensuring prompt and efficient resolution of their concerns. Check out the description for our customizable process diagram templates on Venngage. And hey, why not share your creations with us? Follow us on social media and we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy charting.